All right, so far in this video we've talked a lot about which notes to play, and now we're going to take a look at how to play them. Bending is one of the most important techniques as a rock guitar player that you can develop, because bends along with vibrato are what really makes the notes that you're playing come to life. So we're going to take a look at a few bending ideas, and these are going to be in E minor, using the E minor pentatonic scale. All right, so here's the first one. Sounds like this. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm bending on the 14th fret of the G string, and that note is A, and I'm trying to bend up a full step into the note B. So a good exercise to test yourself is you can play the note B on the 12th fret of the B string, and then while bending on the 14th fret of the G string, try and find the note B as you bend up. Okay, the notes will clash a little bit, but it sounds kind of cool. So what I'm doing here for this idea is I'm bending up on the 14th fret of the G string, coming back down, 12th fret of the G string, 14 on the D, back up to 12G, 14G, and then just cycling that over and over again. Starts over. Right. Next lick, it's going to sound something like this. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm bending up from the note D on the 15th fret of the B string, trying to bend up a full step. So a full step above D will be E, so I'm going to try and bend from here into here. That's the pitch I'm going for. And you can do the unison bend idea and try and find the pitch by playing those two at the same time. If I play D on the 15th fret of the B, I can then play 12th fret on the high E string and try and bend. And find the note. Okay, so I'm going to bend on the 15th fret of the B string, 12th fret of the high E string, and back down 15 to 12 on the B. And then just cycle those notes over and over again. Yeah. Okay, just start off slow and eventually the speed will come if you just spend hours at a time on that. Okay, let's do one more bending idea. So here's the third bending idea. It's going to sound like this. All right, so what I'm doing here, this is a little longer idea. I'm going to bend on the 15th fret of the B, up a full step, try and find that note E, then play 12th fret of the high E string, back 15 to 12 on the B. So far I've done this. And now I'm going to bend on the 14th fret of the G string, try and bend up a full step, and then come over to the high E string on the 12th fret, and then back 15 to 12 on the B string. So if I put all that together, it sounds like this. All right, so those are those bending ideas. Have some fun with those.